traditional PC software. So some new members are not familiar with the PC kit. So they want to know what is PC kit. So I will talk about, the first section, I will cover that. The second section, I will cover some unique functions of the PC kit. So what's the difference between PC kit and the PC software? Lastly, of today, I will cover how to use the PC kit for chart analysis, some of the key indicators or the operations. Okay, the first part, what is PC kit? So the PC kit is actually is homely chart apps, but you know apps normally run on the handphone, either on iPhone, iPad system, or on the Android system. So, but this PC kit actually is the homely chart software run on the Windows. All right. So it is a lot of features are very similar to the handphone apps. So almost is a reflection of the PC, the handphone homely chart, the handphone chart. But this PC kit, in fact, is run on the Windows system. And secondly, the PC kit is it can show live data. So have the tick chart, you know, have the 1 minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 60-minute chart, and then daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. So it can show live data. And there are some unique volume indicators for PC kit. Some indicators, some volume indicators are, there are some volume indicators in PC kit which are not available on the handphone, on the PC, are not available on the PC software. All right, so there are some unique indicators on the PC kit. And it also have a artificial intelligence algorithm. Means it also have some banker, hunter, some stock diagnosis functions on the PC kit. All right, so these are the difference between the PC kit and the normal our PC software. And if you look, if you have the PC kit, so on your PC, so it should have this icon. So it's different from our PC software icon. All right. So you just click on it, double click on it, let it run. Then it appears the PC kit. So when it runs, this is the PC kit software interface. All right. So now next, there are some unique volume indicators in the PC kit. So those unique volumes are inside this icon, banker, this icon. So what are the unique indicators? So there are banker holding position 9. There are BBD net difference, banker rhythm, trend ladder, banker chip, hot money attack, banker controlling lines. So quite a few volume indicators are not available. These are the unique volume indicators in the PC kit, but not available in the PC software. All right. These are not free. So let's say if you have not yet, you don't have these indicators. Let's say if you want these indicators, then you have to go to your PC, the handphone apps, and then purchase in the shop, under the shop, uh, feature. All right, but you these indicators. I think in other courses, then the other lectures, they will talk more about the applications of these indicators. All right. And there is also banker hunter filter in this PC kit. And this banker hunter, in fact, are filters. So there are these filters available in the PC kit. These hunters are not available on the PC software as neither, are not available. So only available in the handphone chart or on this PC kit. All right. So I will explain to you. There are three types of banker hunter. First is potential bullish. So there are three types. One is extreme range banker chip, and these are based on BBD, based on banker rhythm. All right. So the second type is mature bullish, and third type is excellent bullish. All right. So potential bullish, those are extreme low. Those are normally shares is still at low position, potentially is at the bottom, means is a extreme low position. Then potentially it is the bottom of so with these banker hunters, then you can look for those extreme low shares. All right, normally we catch those shares already bottom up. The second type, mature bullish stocks. Those are normally already reverse. Normally is a bullish reversal. All right. And then excellent bullish are those uptrend stocks. All right. So these three types of filters are use those volume indicators in the PC kit, and then filter the shares for you. And if you want these banker hunters, you can look for them. You can purchase it in the handphone, under the shop. All right. So here has detailed explanation what is potential bullish stocks, and what are the mature bullish stocks, and what are excellent bullish stocks. So firstly, those are filters is run in the PC kit. So, and the potential bullish stocks, it will based on hot money, which is one of the banker hunter functions of Homely chart, to filter the stocks where the hot money gets in on the latest trading day. Yeah, so it can help investor to see is the bottom. Those are bottoming stocks. So normally those are extreme low positions. All right. So mature bullish stocks. So these filter functions will based on banker chip, and it can help the investor to prepare in advance before a real bottom coming and reach to profit maximization. So the third type is excellent bullish stocks. So these excellent bullish stocks, it will still based on banker chip, but some other volume indicator. So yeah, I can show you some, you can come to the filter. So these are the 3 types of filters, banker hunters. So if you click on it, so for example, if you click on AI, this first one, extreme range. So the PC kit will run those candidates. It will come out the list of stocks for you. Then you can further analyze whether they are good or not. Okay. So for example, but those are those stocks normally are extreme low positions. So so for example, if you filter these stocks, so normally you will not hold very long, because let's say it face reach resistance, then you will come out the positions already. All right. And there is also one function. So members, if you have this banker hunter filter, then you can try and practice. Normally, we recommend at least mature bullish stocks and excellent bullish stocks, because those already, is already start bullish. Yeah. And then potential bullish stocks normally are more risky, but the price is lower. However, the more dangerous for those C levels potential bullish stocks. Then there is also one key features, which is stock diagnosis. Is available in PC kit, but not available in the handphone, in the PC software, our essential PC software. So the PC diagnosis, if you click on, is this function. All right, it's a diagnosis. So if you click on it, then you will see it will come out those upgrade AI assessment. The software assess do the diagnosis of the stock for you. Yeah, so it show you the support resistance, and based on the 6 color compass, whether this is a good buy or is a dangerous, is not a good buy. All right. So this is the detailed explanation is the cloud brain stock diagnosis is a decision-making system based on the technology of cloud calculating and big data analysis. So it combines high-speed techniques and fund flows, as well as investors' performance. So it provides a visualized diagnosis result. So it will based on these three aspects to do the stock diagnosis based on the technical indicator. To see whether there are strong fund inside, and then it also use the fund flow and price. It also give a forecast of the target price. All right. Okay. So after we know what are the key difference between the PC kit and the PC software, so now we learn how to analyze the shares with this PC kit. So most important, you need to come to chart analysis. You come to this chart analysis so that you can view and analyze the stocks with the indicators and the charts on the PC kit. All right. So what you need to do is just come to, you click chart analysis at the top. All right. So once you click on it, so the menus, so there are different menus under the tab. All right. So choose indicators. You can, I explain first one by one. Then after that, we will practice on the PC kit. So if you press the menu chart analysis, then you will come to this menu. Come to the menu. It will show the menu. So there is choose indicator. So you can select indicators, and there are common indicators. Common indicators are those not very common indicators available everywhere. So for example, MACD, KDJ, RSI, those common indicators. So, so you can select a particular common indicator here if you select the menu. Analysis period. So you can change the analysis period, either 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. You can do setting here. Here, candlestick pattern. You can also change the candlesticks into, for example, bar chart, line chart, can be even TWR. Yeah. So later we will take a look. So how what are available, and answer right processing. You know, on our PC software, there are on the left side there is FAR, FAR, ORG, ordinary chart, and FAR and BAC. Answer right processing is for corporate actions. So default, we use FAR. On your PC and the PC kit, both use FAR as default. Chart combination. So it can have different, it can combine, have how many charts appears on the screen. And it can also allow you draw lines. So those two bars for drawing lines, you can click on it. Then those drawing toolbars will appear. Then you can also do your own drawings. All right. So chart analysis, with this menu, you can set up your indicators, you set up your charts under this chart analysis. All right. So we can go to the PC kit. All right. So this is the PC kit. And most important, you use the chart analysis. So you come to chart analysis. You can choose indicators. All right. For example, if you are you prefer some indicators, for example, MACD, for example, you click, then you change, select that indicators. All right, so go back. So you can change many indicators here. So other bias, for example. So the indicators, you can change indicators under menu. You can change it here. In fact, on the chart at the bottom, there are also those common indicators. So you can use the bottom indicators for a shortcut. So you don't have to go to menu. All right. So for example, I can also click just at the bottom, there's MACD. So I can also change the indicator here. All right. So here, analysis period. You can change the analysis period to 1 minute, 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 15 minute chart, 30 minute chart. All right, you can change here. Normally, we use 60 minutes, or we use the 30 minutes to have the entry point better. All right. You can also, all right, so you can adjust the time frame under this analysis period. So you just go there, select the right time frame, then the chart will show the analysis period for you. And candlestick pattern. So normally we use candlestick chart. So each bar is candlesticks. You can also change the candlesticks as close line, for example. So the close line chart, it only connect the closing price into a line. So from the closing chart. All right, so this is more to see the chart pattern. All right, you can see the candlestick, the action, the daily movement. You only see an overall chart pattern. All right, so for some trader, if you, for example, sometimes the share keep going down, and then consolidate, and then break out, right? So they just need to see. Sometimes they like to see the just the closing line is good enough for their analysis. All right. So it's more on the chart pattern. It's good to analyze the chart pattern. And then, you can get these lines under close line. You can also change the candlestick as American line. American line is in some TA books is called bar chart. So it only shows, it will shows the, it's like this. Yeah. All right, so it's become a bar chart, the open, close, and then the high low. So it become, the candlestick become like this. Yeah, so these some Forex traders, they like this bar chart more. Then TWR. So TWR is one type of candlestick pattern. So it won't have the shadow, upper shadow, lower shadow. So it already show you based on the, it's called TWR. So in our member class, some, I think teachers already teach what is TWR. All right. So you can also show TWR here. And then lastly, it also have the compression line. So compression line. Okay, you can see the body sometimes is bigger, smaller. So the compression chart, in fact, it combines with the volumes. So if more at volume trade in the day, then the candles of the day is bigger. All right. So if less volume, so by looking at the individual bar, so you already have, idea the price action and as well as the volume. So if more volume, then the body will be bigger. So it is weighting, it weighted more. All right. So you can also adjust, change the candlestick pattern here. All right. So there is also answer right processing. This one is for corporate actions. Because very often the stocks, the company will have some special corporate action, like split stocks, or for example, dividends or issue right, and so on. Yeah, so when they have such corporate actions, the share will adjust, will act right accordingly. Yeah, so you will see a big gaps if you don't do adjusting. Yeah, so normally we will set as FAR, forward answer authority. FAR is by default. So the software will smoothen based on the last trade price, then smoothen backward the share price. So yeah, then the chart will be is more consistent. So select the FAR by default. All right, so chart combination. You can also change the set different how many charts on the screen. So for example, you can set, for example, you can address chart 4 charts, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 6, 1, 2, then you can add more. So you can change the, that's how many is 9. Then there's nine charts, 9 indicators. So 9 windows. How many windows here? Okay. And you can also draw 9 toolbox. So when you click on it, can you see? So you can do drawing. I changed the, for example, so you can do drawing using these drawing tools. All right, you click on it, and then you can also do drawings. So you can do drawings with these drawing tools. All right. So how to change? Now I explain how to change indicators. So if you want to change indicators, for example, the second window, I want to change indicator. You can double click on the second window, and then you go to the indicator, look for the indicator. For example, I want BBD. So I go to the left side toolbox and look for BBD. Then I click on it. Then the can change to new indicator. So the third window, for example, I want, for example, multicolor jack necks. So you just click on that window. For example, now the fourth window, I want to change to, for example, banker chip. Then you look for banker chip. You click on it to change indicator. Or you can, the fourth window, if I want to change it to some common indicator, I just go to the fourth window, double click on it, and then I select the bottom. At the bottom, there is some common indicator. For example, I change CCI. Then you can change indicator here. All right, that is how you change indicator. And if you want to view stocks, you just type the stocks. For example, you want to view Capital Corp, for example. Then you just type the stock. For example, you want to, you just like it's similar to the, okay. So for example, your PC kit is Asian data, Asian software. So if you want to see Hong Kong chart, so you need to you have to change market first. Go to Hong Kong. You need to, it's different from the PC software. PC software, you just type the code, then you can view the other market chart. But here in PC kit, you need to go to market. You have to change market first. And then you come to chart. Then you can view other market, for example. So you can view other market. All right. So, but let's say if for some setting, you can come to chart analysis, candles to do the setting. All right. So you can, so that is how you view the stock chart and how you set the setting of the chart. So it's not very difficult, right? Okay, I answer some question. All right, some question, how to delete after drawing line. So for example, if I draw the line, draw lines, after I draw lines, so you just press space on your keyboard, then you can delete the line, delete the drawings. All right. Okay. So, for example, I draw something on the chart. So I just press space, then the drawing will be deleted from the chart. All right, so not very difficult. So, all right, so sometimes we also want to see who are the you can, what are the key, how to say, big mover of the day. All right, so you can come to code. Then this PC kit will show you live data, showing you which are the top movers. So it will show out the shares based on the live data. So from the highest percentage of change to the lowest percentage of change. So it will show you the list of the stocks based on the percentage of change in live data. So you can come to code. But now, because today no trading, so it's a so no data here, no live data. It's the closing data. All right, so not very difficult. All right. So any more questions? Very fast. I see any more questions. All right, here a question. In tick chart, can we see clear? Tick chart, I don't think we can zoom in to see clear. All right, and how to change the second box in the second box to TE? Then we go back to chart. Let's say if we want to change the second box to TE, so we double click on the second window. The TE is under kit. Let me try. Oh, let me try. Okay, so I think some indicators will only appear in the first window. Some trend indicator will only appear in the first window. It don't appear on the second window. All right. So those volume or the auxiliary indicators can appear on second, third, fourth window. But trend indicator, some trend indicator will only appear in the first window. That is what I know. Yeah. What other questions? How come sometimes we click the bottom, it does not appear? Or if, let's say, if you click bottom catch indicator and no signal, means at that period, for that stock, there's no bottom catch. All right, doesn't mean every time there is bottom catch signal. Yeah, so that means no bottom catch signal. Why you have the left side beautiful icon, but ours do not have left side beautiful icon? Sorry, I don't know which icon you mean. It comes sometimes when we click the bottom. Diagnosis function doesn't work. Okay, the stock diagnosis function. Stock diagnosis function is only when you already have the indicator, then it appears on your PC kit. So if you haven't purchased, then the stock diagnosis function, then it didn't show on your PC kit. Okay, tick chart, tick chart is only, in fact, let's say if the Hong Kong market and Malaysian market, there are 15 minutes delay. Singapore market also have 15 minutes delay, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So the tick chart will, there are 15 minutes delay. All right. US market also have 15 to 30 minutes delay. Yeah, but actually 15 or 30 minutes delay, then this need to be confirmed, either 15 or 30 minutes delay. 15 minutes delay. All right. So I think, so I answer most of the questions. So I do a review, quick review. So today we learn what is PC kit. All right. So we learn PC kit actually is the handphone homely chart software, then run on the PC Windows. So it has live data. It also have some unit volume indicators. All right, and it also have some AI algorithm, so it can do stock diagnosis for you. And what are the unit volume indicators? And what are the unit indicators? So these banker hunters are also Unix in the PC kit. And there is stock diagnosis, this function. The software will measure the shares for you. So you will know whether support resistance, whether it's a buy or sell. So I also share with you how to set up the chart analysis so that you can set up your chart with the chart analysis. All right. And then you can also view how you change indicators. Yeah. All right. Okay. So that is all for today. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. How to delete the line one by one? Delete line one by one. You can press control, then press D for dot. So you can delete the line one by one. All right. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.